In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a loyalty program in ShopWired. If you've been looking to boost customer retention and reward your most loyal buyers, this guide is for you. Stay tuned, because I'll also share a few things ShopWired might be missing and an alternative solution that could be a better fit for your business goals. So let's dive into it. First, after you've logged into your ShopWired account, navigate to the Loyalty Program section in the dashboard. This is where you'll start setting up everything. ShopWired makes it relatively easy to get started, so if you're familiar with the platform, you're already halfway there. The second thing to do is decide on a reward system. ShopWired gives you a few options like points per purchase, rewards for social sharing, or offering discounts on future purchases. You can customize these to fit your business model, whether you're looking to offer an incentive for every dollar spent or to encourage more customer engagement through social media. Next, you'll want to set up your loyalty point system. ShopWired lets you decide how many points a customer earns per dollar spent. You can also choose to give extra points for special actions like creating an account or leaving a review. This customization helps tailor the experience to your customers and can encourage them to do more business with you. The fourth thing is customizing the reward options. ShopWired allows you to create different reward tiers, so loyal customers can unlock bigger rewards the more they engage with your store. This can include things like a discount code for reaching a certain number of points, free shipping, or even exclusive products. One challenge with ShopWired is the lack of advanced features in their loyalty program, especially when compared to other platforms. For example, while ShopWired gives you the basics, it doesn't have the same level of flexibility as some other e-commerce solutions. There's no built-in email marketing automation for loyalty program updates, so you might need an external tool for that. You could also find that the integration options with third-party apps are more limited. But don't worry, if you're looking for something with more robust features, stay tuned, because there's an alternative I'll recommend that can do much more than ShopWired's loyalty program. The sixth thing to note about ShopWired is its pricing structure. For a platform that offers basic loyalty features, it's not the most affordable option when you factor in the additional apps or tools you might need. It's good, but for the price, you might expect a bit more customization and automation. Next, let's talk about integrating your loyalty program. ShopWired does make it easy to integrate loyalty points into your checkout system. Customers will see their available points when they go to checkout, making it seamless to use their rewards right away. However, if you're looking to integrate with other loyalty features like referral bonuses or gift cards, you may hit a few roadblocks since ShopWired's integrations are somewhat limited compared to others. Now, before I share that alternative I promised, let's quickly recap. You can set up a loyalty program in ShopWired by customizing rewards, points per dollar, and tiers. But if you need more complex loyalty tools or better integrations, you might need to look elsewhere. The loyalty program in ShopWired is great for small businesses or those just starting out, but if you're looking for something with more automation and features, there are better options out there. Here's the twist. I've found a competitor that offers an even better loyalty system, one that integrates seamlessly with email marketing, has advanced customer segmentation, and provides deeper analytics. And the best part? You can get a special extended free trial through the link in the description. This alternative platform is perfect for growing businesses who need that extra edge in customer retention. So, while ShopWired offers a solid loyalty program, it's definitely worth considering other platforms that might better meet your needs. Click the link in the description to get your exclusive trial and explore the options that could help you build a more robust and effective loyalty program for your store. That's all for today.